The masters of wisdom say that all fear arises from not knowing who we are. When we don't know the truth of our own life, we live a conditioned life. When we don't know who we are on the inside in our potential, we live a very imprisoned, very limited, a very small life. The masters of wisdom also say that when you know the truth shall set you free. I am proud to bring you, and I am honored to bring you, the Supreme Teachings. 12 online sessions which are deep wisdom made simple to liberate you, to bring you liberation, freedom. Freedom that brings happiness. Freedom that allows you to live a life of your full potential. Freedom that allows you and empowers you to break the chains that have always kept you small. The Supreme Teachings is for you if you want to live the life you were born to live. If you are a person who wants the wisdom about what we are doing here on this journey of life, if you're a person who has questioned ever, who am I and what is the purpose of my life, this wisdom is for you. If you want to break free from conditioning, and if you want to learn specific tools and techniques on how to live your life in an optimized, maximized manner, this deep wisdom is for you. And I make it so simple through stories and metaphors and lessons and concepts that it will blow your mind. The Supreme Teachings is 12 online sessions of deep wisdom about the 3 journeys of your soul. The 3 journeys that you are on, that you will experience in this life, from this life to the next space, and then from wherever you come into your birth. There are 3 journeys that we undertake. 12 online sessions with me as your coach, as your mentor, as your teacher of wisdom, along with 50 plus downloads that we have created for you, where I also share 7 specific ways with which you can maximize this current life. Actually, it's more than 7. And also 7 principles to live an enlightened life and to have an enlightened journey. Along the teachings, I also share with you a model of the mind and its potential. It's the first time I have revealed this model. I've only shared it with my deep, advanced, long-term students who I know are very sincere. And I know now that you are sincere in your desire to grow. I'm revealing this model. It's really mind-blowing. It's a model that shows you the potential of your mind and how to tap into it. All of this wisdom for you if you want to live a life of happiness and joy and freedom on the inside and the outside. But if you're not interested in wisdom at all, if you're happy to live your life in an ignorant, in a blindfolded way, then perhaps this is not for you. If you're happy to live a very small life, a life of struggle and suffering, where you constantly have to chase what you want, then perhaps this wisdom is not for you. Because this wisdom liberates, this wisdom empowers, this wisdom elevates. This is for you if you're ready to step into your own power, if you're ready to know the truth. This wisdom is absolutely right for you. It removes pain, it removes suffering, it removes struggle. It breaks the chains of limiting thoughts, and it brings you into a space of power, into a space of freedom. Personally, professionally, in your life, in your relationships, in your work, so that you can make the best use of your time on this planet in this lifetime. This is wisdom that illuminates and liberates. This is wisdom that brings peace and it brings power, along with specific concepts and strategies and tools and models. Stories that you will remember for your whole life, downloads that you can use and refer to on a daily basis. That is my promise to you. Wisdom that liberates, wisdom that elevates your whole life, wisdom that illuminates your mind. I have been doing this for 20 plus years. Thousands of spiritual students and people who want to live a better life have come and learned from me. Everyone from meditation teachers to yoga teachers to spiritual gurus have learned from me. And also CEOs, business owners, award-winning entrepreneurs have learned from me. And also people who are in positions of leadership, business leadership, political leadership, their industry leadership, Hollywood celebrities and royalty have learned from me. Would you like to learn the wisdom that can illuminate and elevate your life, that can bring liberation to you? This is an invitation for you to step into something extremely powerful and extremely important. And it all comes with a 30-day refund policy. We are so confident in what we are sharing with you now. It is a completely risk-free offer. All gain, no pain. That's the power and the promise of wisdom. All gain, no pain. So the Supreme Teachings is a step into your own power, into your own potential. If you're ready to take this step, I am here to hold your hand, and we will walk together for 12 beautiful, wonderful, insightful sessions of wisdom that will liberate your life. Take action now. Click on that link. Step into your own power. Step into your own potential. Know the truth. Thank you.